Hello, everyone. So I want to explain to you today how I traded these two newses, the employment claims and the manufacturing PMI. These were the two greatest news today at Thursday, on this day, Thursday 25th. Okay. These were the greatest news today, and actually, they gave me a lot of money. They gave me a lot of money. Now, how did I traded this news? Now, remember, guys, I actually provided this PDF concerning uh, news survival guide, the how to analyze the news and how to trade them. So I gave this for free. So if you haven't get the copy of this PDF, please, 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 please come to my WhatsApp channel, the link below, and then in my WhatsApp channel, you'll find the details on how you can get this PDF for free, guys, for free. Now, starting with employment claims, it came out on 3:30 p.m. And in my news guide, employment claims is saying, well, let's check it out. Yes, here, the employment claims. How do I trade this? Now, here is where it matters. You see here, when employment claims comes out fewer, then it means that the USD is strong, so you must expect a sell in gold. If employment claims comes out weaker or more than expected, that means USD is weak. So um, so you expect to buy in gold. So let's check here. You can see employment claims. The forecast was 226, but it came out 235. Although it is red, but it came out larger than what it was expected. And of course, it came out larger than the previous one. And the PDF says when employment claims come out more than what it is expected, that means USD is weak, then gold is going to be bullish. So you can see here on the chart, this is the 5 minutes chart. This is a 5 minutes chart. You can see here the employment claims come out at this time. This is the candle where the news came out. And normally I don't trade when the news come out. I just wait the news to come out. I analyze the data, then I come to the chart to trade. You see? So the news tells me that we are going to be bullish. So if I'm going to be bullish, that means I'm going to wait for the structure, market to create a structure to support the news. So you can see here, the news came out at this point. This is this bullish candle here. And then that bullish candle performed a break of structure, meaning now it has supported the news. Now you can see my entry was on a 1 minute. Of course, you can enter even using that uh, using that 5 minute chart, but I entered using this 5 minutes 1 minute chart on this candle here, and that was my entry, and I targeted almost 50 pips from there because I only trade 50 pips to 100 pips. So I targeted around this high here, and I closed my partial profit with 68 pips there, although the price went even higher to 80 pips. But this was amazing, guys. You can see how I traded that news. Now, we had another news. We had another news came out. Another news came out. It was the PMI. This actually it's it's a news concerning manufacturing industries in America. Now, what is the PDF says? What does the PDF say? So you can see, let's find that news. Let us find that news. Here it is. Here it is. You can see now, this is the PMI news that we are about to see now. Now, what does it say? This PDF says, if the news come out above 50 and rising, above 50, that means the USD is strong, meaning the gold, you'll expect to sell gold. But if the news come out below 50, that means the USD is weak. So you expect to buy on gold. You see? Now let's see how the news came out. So this is the news itself. It came out at 4:45 p.m. And then that news came out above 50. Above 50. You see? Above 50. And what does the PDF says? If it came above 50, then USD is strong, so you expect sell on gold. So I expected sell on gold. So here it is. Here it is. So this was our first entry. Let's take it out. And of course, 4:45, this was the news itself. This was on news. This here was the news. And we see now the news came out, we needed to sell. That's why you see a sell candle. Good. But where should I take trades? Because I take trades after the news came out. Okay? After the news came out. So I had no clear structure. But if you go to the 1 minute, if you go to the 1 minute, you'll see clearly we had a change of character here. And after this change of character, we were left with inside formations inside, and you can see the price came out. But this actually, it was so risky to trade 25, almost 25 pips from the formation to that higher time frame. But if you stick with the 5 minutes, if you stick with the 5 minutes, you see here, the candle came and failed to break this high. Now that is the confirmation. Now I need to sell. See, I need to sell. So you can see here, I had two entries actually in this news. The price came out and changed character here. And we had this as a liquidity engineering. So I traded this, it was 50 pips actually, 68 pips. I closed my trade after I saw this candle failed also to break this trading range here. So I closed my trade around that point with 60 pips. So you can see how you can trade this news. You can trade this news. You can see how you can trade this news. And actually, if you go on to the 1 minute, after this take profit was hit, if you go to the 1 minute, that same change of character, it we had also another liquidity engineering, which we had a micro retest. Then we performed another rounded retest, and you can enter again from there to that point, almost 80 pips. You can see how easy to trade this news. Now, I advise you guys, come and get this PDF for free. This PDF is a game changer. So, guys, thank you very much. See you on the next video. Thank you very much.